Made specifically for the China market, the bZ3 is an all-electric sedan that will not be joining the bZ4X on sale in the US. But it continues Toyota's path forward into EV. The second Toyota Beyond Zero electric vehicle after the bZ4X will be the bZ3, a 5-seat sedan designed specifically for the Chinese EV market. Toyota developed the bZ3 with partners BYD and FAW Toyota, following the collaborative path that the Japanese automaker took with its first bZ model, which was developed in partnership with Subaru. A drag coefficient of 0.218 and specially developed batteries should give the bZ3 a range of more than 370 miles on the Chinese test scale. The EV wouldn't get that high a rating in the US, but it won't be sold here. So we'll never know what the EPA might say about this new entrant. Toyota has pulled the wraps off its second electric vehicle, the bZ3, designed for the Chinese domestic market in partnership with BYD and FAW Toyota. The bZ3 is a 5-seat, all-electric sedan that can go more than 373 miles, 600 kilometers on a single charge. A Toyota spokesperson pointed out that the 3 in its name indicates the sedan body style and size. Do not expect this model to come to the States. Toyota said its partners developed the bZ3 specifically with Chinese customers in mind. That means that the bZ3 was just designed for movement but also a space that can be used as a family lounge, Toyota said, and can be a place where you would spend time with other people. A large center screen called the Digital Island can be used to connect multiple smartphones and control features like temperature controls and infotainment services. Toyota said BYD contributed EV platform expertise and knowledge about battery technology. FAW Toyota has sold 10 million units and contributed its understanding of the China market. Toyota focused on advanced electrification technologies and making sure that the bZ3 is fun to drive, the company said.